Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money with Upgrade, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer money using Upgrade, start by opening the Upgrade app on your mobile device or visiting the Upgrade website. If you are a new user, create an account by providing your email address and setting up a password. Verify your identity by following the prompts in the app or on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfer section of the app. Select the option to send money or transfer funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their email address or mobile number. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Select your funding source, such as a linked bank account or Upgrade card. If prompted, authorize the transaction by entering your security code or password. Once confirmed, wait for the app to process the transaction. You will receive a notification indicating that the transfer is complete. Check the recipient's account to confirm they have received the funds. For future transfers, you can save the recipient's details for quicker access. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection while performing transactions. Review any fees associated with the transfer before completing the process. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section within the app for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.